Meaning of intern.
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 Intern. The term intern generally refers to a student or recent graduate who works in a temporary position, often without pay, in order to gain practical experience in a particular field or industry. Internships can be found in a wide variety of fields, including business, journalism, healthcare, education, and many others. While some internships are unpaid, others may provide a salary or stipend, and some may even lead to full-time employment opportunities with the organization after the internship is over. Overall, internships are often seen as a valuable way for individuals to gain real-world experience, make professional connections, and learn more about a particular career path.